Now, children, come to stanza 2. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and 1,000 dreamy fancies into busy being start, and 1,000 recollections weave their ear threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Children, note down the difficult words of tinkle, short, light ringing sound, short, light ringing sound, shingles, rectangular wooden tiles used on roofs, rectangular wooden tiles used on roofs, woof, the thread woven across the loom, the thread woven across the loom, busy being. Now, children, no need to note down the meaning, just listen to what it means. Busy being refers to human beings, and here the poet is referring to himself. Okay? Now, explanation. The poet is expressing his feelings when he hears the raindrops falling on the rooftop of his house. He says that every tingle on the shingles has an echo in the heart. Whenever he hears rain falling on the rooftop, the sound repeats in his heart. And in his dreams, he has many different fanciful imaginations. He adds that this sound of the rain falling on the rooftop creates many different dreams in his mind. He recollects many memories of the past which come back into his mind as he dreams. So, he says that as he listens to the patter of the rain upon the roof, he has many new dreams in his mind, and the memories of the past come back in the form of dreams. Now, the last one. Now in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone, to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain, which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Now here dawn means daybreak. Refrain, a repeated part of a song or a poem. A repeated part of a song or a poem. Here the sound of the rain. Here the sound of the rain. Here the poet introduces his mother. He says that he is dreaming of his mother, as he had told in the previous stanza that rain brings memories of the past. It is the memory of his mother who is no longer alive. The poet has memories of his beloved mother. When he was a child, she would put him and his siblings to bed and allowed them to sleep till late. They had sweet dreams in their sleep. Darling dreamers here refers to the poet and his siblings. Sibling means brothers, sisters. When they were children and had sweet dreams, they were loved by their mother, and so were her darlings. In the past, the poet's mother used to love him and his siblings a lot. She used to consider them darlings, and she would let them sleep till daybreak and have sweet dreams. The poet can still feel that his mother is looking at him as he listens to the song made by the raindrops falling on the rooftop of his room. The sound of the rain makes him correlate his past with his present. That is why the poet is moved by the sound of the raindrops on the shingles of his room. Whenever he hears this sound, it brings back memories of the past, and he is reminded of his mother. So children, here we come to the end of the poem. I hope that it is